Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. It's frustrating when it seems like our accounts aren't performing as well as we'd like. So Calvin, what are some common places where money might be slipping through the cracks?
Sure. So a lot of times people are taking advantage of a 401k plan through their employer, but they're not even contributing enough to get the free match. So for example, if you have a 5% match and you're only putting in 3%, you're missing out on free money. In addition, fees on investments, specifically mutual funds. If you're looking at what's called an expense ratio, which is a cost to own the fund that's buried inside the fund, that can eat away at your returns. And not having the right risk tolerance. Let's say that you are planning to live for 30 more years, but all the money is in a very conservative allocation. Well, then if the market was up the last few years, more than 10% or more, you may be missing out on that. And that's affecting your long-term financial stability.
When it comes to finding those opportunities to improve our efficiency, you and your team put together some resources that can help us learn more.
That's right. We put together this retirement roadmap kit because every day that goes by that you don't have a comprehensive written retirement income plan may put your future financial security in jeopardy. A retirement plan includes where the sources of income are going to come from, how your expenses are going to be tracked, and home care and long-term care projections. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit can help you make sure all your money is being put to work properly and nothing is slipping through the cracks.
That's right. The book, all of those reports on retirement's biggest topics. Just call, text, or go online to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.